Eric Emanuel will be dropping tie-dye shorts July 17th. Like this video and subscribe for more resale predictions and drop lists. These Eric Emanuel tie-dye shorts will be retailing for around $108, reselling for upwards of $170. In my opinion, these are a really nice pair of shorts, and I think that they'll definitely have a lot of resale value just because Eric Emanuel has recently been dropping a lot of heat shorts, and they've just been selling for a lot of money unlike StockX, so I'd expect these to do the same. And also, these are just really nice shorts. Like I definitely like the one most, like the pink, orange, and white one. I feel like that one just looks the best, but all these should do pretty good. I would expect the more tie-dye ones to sell out first, but I think all these will do pretty well. A lot of his shorts have been doing well recently, and I expect these to be no different. These have a lot of volume on eBay and StockX, so I would expect there just to be a lot of sales on there, and there's a lot of easy money to be made. So I would 100% suggest going for these. These will be dropping on his website, ericemanuel.com, around 9 PST and 12 EST. So I would suggest going for these because these will make you a good amount of money. Here's some of the StockX listings for some of his other shorts. I think these are all really nice, but I think the tie-dye shorts will likely sell for around 180 to 190 just because I think they're a lot better looking than a lot of these other shorts. But there really is a large disparity between the best ones and the worst ones for Eric Emanuel. So it could be like 160 lowest ask on some of these, or it could be 200 plus. So you really have to just, I don't know, kind of worry about that. But I definitely think there is money to be made. Even with the $108 retail, these will sell for at least $150, $160. So there is easily like a $20 to $30 profit. And if you sell these on eBay, you might be able to make a little bit more. So I would try and suggest selling there. Alright, if you want to join a really good Discord for free, there's a link in the description to my Discord. In my Discord, we got monitors, we got slots, we basically got everything. And I think it's just a really good community to join. And especially because it's free. Like with anything that's free, you can just get it or you could leave. So with something that's free and provides actual value, you kind of have to join it. So also, you can leave whenever you want. So if you don't like it, you don't like the notifications anymore, you can just leave. But since it's something that's free, it's not like you wasted anything on it. So join the group. There's a link in the description. There's a lot of information in there. We got basically everything in there. Anything you could want sneaker-wise, it's in there. And we got monitors. We got everything you'd want. If you're a sneaker reseller, if you're just any kind of reseller, we got monitors, we got slots, we got a marketplace, we got tickets, we got everything. Anything you can want, we got it.